Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So I'm back with another summer handbags video. Last time I did a video about the best summer handbags that are more mid-range, affordable luxury, and today we are talking about designer luxury handbags that are under $2,000. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Angela and welcome to our fashion and luxury family. If you love anything fashion and luxury, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you do so, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Now let's get comfortable, grab yourself a snack, a drink, and let's jump right into the video. Now the first fashion house that I want to talk about is the brand Loewe. And when I think about a luxury summer handbag, I think about Loewe, and they are truly, I think, the most famous brand for their summer bags. They're kind of known for their summer bags. Now, yes, of course, we have the puzzle bag that is iconic, but truly when I think about Loewe, I think about their basket bags. And they have so many different basket bags on their website. I have my three favorites, and it is the original basket bag. This is a raffia handbag with leather trimming. And then we have the Loewe Enneagram basket bag, which is a newer style. And then we also have the square basket toe. Now these three are my favorites from the entire summer bag collection from Loewe. And to be honest, probably my favorite basket bags from any fashion house. And I think this is really because of the quality and the price point. Now all three of them I think are amazing raffia handbags, and there's just something super casual but luxe about a good raffia or straw bag. I personally really love the original basket bag from Loewe. I think this is just a staple and it's super iconic, but the other two are also very much growing on me. And you guys have probably seen these bags all over social media like Pinterest and Instagram. And I have to say that I was personally never much of a raffia or straw bag person, but to just see a lot of influencers style them in many different ways, it just really blows my mind, because these bags are so versatile and they can actually really elevate an outfit. Now, I always used to think that raffia bags or straw bags are just for the beach, but I think that the Loewe raffia bags have just really converted me into loving a good summer basket bag. Moving on to the next brand, and this is from a fashion house that I personally very much love, and it is YSL Saint Laurent. I love this brand. You guys already know I talk about YSL so much on my channel, and of course I had to include them for the best summer bags. Now the first bag that I want to talk about is the camera bag in raffia in vegetable tanned leather. This combination comes in golden ecru and brick. Yes, it is another tan bag, because like I said, you can't go wrong with a tan bag for summer. Now I love this bag because first of all, its price point, it is $15.90, and I think that is great for a very luxurious bag. This is a YSL bag, but you know that you're gonna get great quality. And it is very versatile. Now, I feel like a camera bag is one of the most easy bags to wear because it just has an easy zipper and, you know, crossbody. But what I like about this as well is that it doesn't just have the crossbody adjustable and removable strap. It also has a tiny little top handle, which I think is so cute. Like, this bag is gonna be perfect to transition from day to nighttime. And that is always something that I really love in bags, because if you are going on a vacation and you don't want to bring 5 bags, maybe you just want to bring 1 or 2 bags, and you want them to be versatile, not only in the ways that you can wear them, but also if they are fit to every situation, whether it's daytime, nighttime, going out for drinks, dinner, or a cute little brunch, or going to the beach. So I think this bag is super worth it. It is super cute, and I think this would be a very easy bag to style with just a white dress or with some shorts and a tank top. I just think that you can't go wrong with a good camera bag. Now the next best summer bag from YSL has to be the Le 5 Essette in the canvas and leather style. Now, this is gonna be the only bag that is a little bit over $2,000. It is $2,250. But oh my gosh, this bag is iconic. I think that this is the most iconic hobo shoulder bag style on the market, and it is an icon for a reason. Now, I do love the normal leather version, but I think that the canvas and leather combination is just perfect for summer. This bag is going to be perfect for a more elevated look. I think you can definitely wear this with more casual daytime outfits, but I personally think that this bag is perfect if you want a summer nighttime bag, or maybe for a summer wedding. If you're a wedding guest and you're looking for the perfect summer bag, I think this is gonna be a great option. Moving on to our next brand, and this brand is, I think, my favorite brand at the moment. It is Celine, and I love Celine handbags. I just think that they have amazing quality. Now, the first bag that I want to talk about is the Ava bag, and this is a very cute shoulder bag that just is a really great bag for the summer days. I have just fallen in love with shoulder bags, and I never knew that I would love a shoulder bag so much. There is just something so easy, like grab and go, about a shoulder bag. Like sometimes when I don't want to deal with, a crossbody strap or just a top handle, I just want something that I can still use top handle, but also just, have over my shoulder. A shoulder bag is just so easy and effortless, and I think it makes for a great daytime and nighttime look as well. Now, this bag comes in a couple of different variations, but I personally really love the Triomphe canvas in white. This also comes in the darker canvas from the Triomphe collection, but I personally think that the white one is just so stunning for summer. This is just a beautiful bag. I think it's easy to wear. It will fit a lot because, to be really honest, my Gucci Ophidia in the back there, it fits so much. It's like still to this day one of my favorite everyday bags. Now, the next best summer bag from Celine is the Bucket Triomphe, and this one is made in textile with calfskin leather trimmings. I love a basket bag in the summer just because it is so easy to just throw all your stuff in. It's not as huge as a tote or a super big basket bag. It's a little bit more elevated in my opinion, and I honestly think that this is such a great travel bag. If you want to just carry an everyday bag that you can still fit a lot in, even though this bag doesn't have a top handle, but it is still very versatile. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can wear it as a cross body bag. The strap is not removable, but it is adjustable, so you can just adjust it to your height. If you watched all the way till the end, thank you so much. You're a real one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I wish you a very great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!